Back to our friend time, telling the time. No matter how long we spend on it, some people will always find it difficult. But I've never met an adult who doesn't know how to change the time, who doesn't know how to tell the time. So keep working on it and you will get there. If it's something you find difficult, just keep working on it and you will get there, okay? And please try to start telling the time in your everyday life. Take responsibility of being in a certain place at a certain time or having something done by a certain time. It's only when you start using time, okay, that you will become very familiar with it. Now, for each clock, there are 6 clocks. For each clock, you need to make sure that the time is represented by the hands of the clock. So you might need to draw them in. In 5 of the cases, you need to draw them in. You also need to write the time using the 24-hour clock. Now, when you see a clock face, it could be either in the morning or the evening. We're not sure. So you write down both options using the 24-hour clock. Just like in the first one it's done. It's 0832, which is 32 minutes past 8 in the morning, or 2032, which is 32 minutes past 8 in the evening. Okay? Now, and then underneath, I want you to write the time in words. So generally, once it's past 8:30, you say it's some amount of minutes to the next hour. So to find out how many minutes it is to the next hour, you take 32 away from 60. So it would be 28 minutes to 9. Okay? That was the first one. And you figure out all of the rest of them. And you can see the last one there, boys and girls, in number 1. You are free to do whatever time you want, okay? Because there are no clues given. Number 2 then, in the blue box, you need to add on 23 minutes to the times on the clocks, okay? So it says 1919, you need to add on 23 minutes and then write the time on the clock beside it. And do the same then with the one beneath. And then in the yellow box, or the cream box, you need to write the time 42 minutes before the time given. Okay? So there are 2 questions there to do. Then moving on, it should say number 3, but it doesn't say anything. In question 3, it is money. Okay, so we all like working with money. I think most people prefer doing the money questions than the time questions. So you have to work out how much change you would get when you buy these items. So in the first example, a goldfish is €3.25. You buy 5 of them, so you have to work out the cost of 5 goldfish. You pay with €20, what change will you get? So you first need to work out the total cost, and then when you have the total cost, take it away from the money you pay with to find out the change you will be given. Okay? Everybody should be able to do that, boys and girls. But I know some people will rush and will not do it properly. You need to figure out the total cost of the products. Then work out your change by taking that away from the money given.